China Business Network.
You know, our riders in China are they're fantastic. They're a lot like our riders everywhere in the world. They've got this passion around the brand. They want to get out and ride. Some have more experience than others, but they all, I think, share this desire to sort of get out with other riders and get out of the daily grind and really enjoy life a little bit, and do it on a Harley, because something kind of magical happens when you throw your leg over one of our motorcycles, and it's turned out to be true in China just as it has in other markets. One of the very first rides we did in China, we had an event at the Great Wall, and so we took a ride from downtown up to the Kameen by the Great Wall and had a great time, in spite of the fact that it was raining, which makes the roads even more challenging than they already are. We may have to modify our approach when we get into the market, as we will in any market, and China wasn't going to be any different. The type of channel partner is different in that the market opportunity is different. In some markets you go into, like the United States, where if we're setting up a new dealer, it's because we've identified a target point where we've got a certain density of potential demand, and it's right to put up a right place to put up a store. Going into China, you don't have maybe the detailed level of statistics, so you're really looking for those opportunity markets, the immediate opportunities. And then the big challenge then is finding partners that want to go into the Harley-Davidson brand, into a segment that's relatively new, into a sport or a leisure activity like motorcycling that is relatively new in a place like China. And so finding people that want to do that and also meet our qualifications is always a little bit of a challenge. And in China, it was the same. So it's different in how it's a challenge, but finding good partners like that, whether they're good retailers, but maybe don't have as big of interest in motorcycles, or maybe they're really passionate about motorcycles, but not as strong on the retailing side. You get that kind of a mix in China and any of the markets we do business.